today is day 16 of the 25 days of Christmas and we're doing a silent night type vibe. So I start off with my Inglot Gel Eyeliner and create a oversized dramatic graphic eyeliner on my lid, and then I completely colour that in. Using my Marianne Glitter Fixer Gel, I cover where I have just put that eyeliner, and then I go in with my Marianne Glitter Rush. This is actually body glitter, but I used it on my eyes, and this is in the shade Night Fairy. Once I've done that on both of my eyes, I do all my foundation and my base. As this is a really bold look, I wanted my eyebrows to look really bold, so I used a black eyeliner for them, and then I got an electric blue eyeshadow and blended that on my bottom lash line before going in with a darker blue and just making it look a little bit more smoky. I then quickly put on some mascara, and this is by Too Faced, and then I start to spray my face. Again, I'm using the MAC Pro Performance HD Airbrush Makeup and my Airbrush Gun. You don't have to use an airbrush gun for this, but for me it was just quicker and I like to use my airbrush gun, but you can use face paint for this or even just eyeshadow. I start off by covering basically from my nose down in blue, and then I go in with a black starting from my neck and slowly going up my face. Using a white face paint, I start to paint on some stars. Some of them are like little crosses and some of them are just dots that I used from the end of my makeup brush. Unfortunately, I did lose a ton of footage, so I suddenly get really glittery all of a sudden, but luckily I haven't lost all of it, and I do the same on my neck. So once I'd painted on the stars where I wanted them to go, I then got some blue glitter. Some of the glitter is shaped as stars and some of it is just standard blue glitter, and I just put that all over where I have painted my face. You can also see I have some white star shaped glitter as well, and I also go in with a black glitter just to add that darkness to it as well. I then use the Urban Decay Vice Special Effects Metallic Lip Top Coat in the shade Ritual, and of course I chuck on a wig, and I also have this necklace that I kind of turned into a tiara. But this is the final look. I really hope you liked it. I was really nervous about this look because wasn't quite sure whether I loved it or hate it, so let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you did like it, hit that like button, and if you do not want to miss any more of my Christmas videos coming this 25 days of Christmas, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. If you would like a sneak peek of the look before it goes on YouTube, make sure you're following my Instagram. My name is @brooke.ellis_. It will come across the screen and it will also be linked in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!